too. He conducts on an orchestra. I saw a video of that.
Really?
He's,
Like
yeah,
the
like he's
7 foot
musically
tall
yes,
conductor?
he's musically inclined, so big ups to him on that. But yes, these kids are voting for people that, really don't deem the all-star level just yet.
Like, who else is on there? Or is there something that's been that so far isn't on there at all that clearly should be?
I think there may be a couple. I haven't really looked into it too much because they took me out with the Taco Fall thing.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, well, definitely Luka's on there. And we'll talk about him. Luka Doncic's on it all day. Playing tonight, as a matter of fact.
20-year-old phenom.
Yeah, scoring 30 points. The last 6 games, 30 points. He had 30-point triple-double on Monday night, so that was even. He's beasting. I wonder, is he better than LeBron at 20? I posed to ask that question.
Really?
I mean, the guy's averaging 30 points a game. Did LeBron do that when he was 20 years old?
I heard a discussion about debate on this. I don't know if it was the Herd earlier, but they were debating that versus like maybe it was Magic as well. Magic being at 19, and then LeBron, and there was back and forth discussion for either. So
What do you think?
It's
kind of hard to say to go back to when
I really
LeBron's
don't.
19.
Yeah, I don't really remember. I don't.
Yeah.
I was LeBron at 19 wasn't like. I don't know. I don't think I really. That's like early 2000, early 2000.
I mean, he was something to see. It just was
right,
like
but
I just
that was
can't
when I
recall
wasn't. I wasn't really watching the NBA in college much.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Gotcha. Gotcha. Hitting those books.
Yo, hitting the books hard. Hitting the books hard.
Yeah. Gotta keep up that GPA, honey. I want your
Man.
stats to fall.
Thank God I graduated in 5 years. You had that 5-year
Love
plan.
it. Hey, a lot of us do it as long as you finish. That's all that matters.
Indubitably.
Yeah.
So I'm wearing my sweatshirt from last week.
I know that. Thanks. Shout out
Because shout out to Brandy
Yeah.
Foster as well as Marisha and from the Beast Mode store in Seattle. Clearly, Marshawn had another great game on Sunday. Scored a touchdown.
Yeah, he's the guy to do it.
I wore the sweatshirt the entire game, so there was no halftime changing for me.
Okay.
I kept it through and out. So I was like, what? I'm just gonna keep on going.
You may have to have time change at Lambeau though this Sunday.
Well, I'm not really looking forward to the
Yeah.
Smith brother. The Smith guys.
Yeah.
However, they do have like one of the lower half of run defenses. So I'm hoping that maybe a little push from Homer, some Marshawn action. It sounds like Pete Carroll's ready to give Marshawn the ball a bit more now that he's like 2 weeks
You
in.
think? He did a fireable offense a few years back. I mean, he better give him the ball all the time. How about that?
Yeah. Seriously.
Yeah.
Is this like Peter Pan in the background? I feel
I don't
like
know.
we're listening to some guy on a flute. Like
I like the beat. It is somebody on the flute. They're playing on a recorder. Remember those little recorders you have in
from
school?
middle school.
Yes, the recorders.
Anyway,
Hey, is this our show or somebody else's show?
I don't know.
'Cause I feel like somebody else's show. They have little jazz playing
I don't
and
know.
stuff going on.
I have no idea.
So the Knights are 24-16 right now, and they are. They lost last night to the Penguins. And a message from our sponsors. Shout out to Dick's Sporting Goods. 'Cause let me tell you something. I go there, and I'll get back into the Knights. I go there, and it's right across the way from my job. They've got everything in there, everything you can imagine. Good
Dick's?
workout band. Yep,
Yeah.
Dick's. Yeah, Dick's Sporting Goods, sunflower seeds, everything, all my little stuff. So shout out to Dick's.
I
Now,
heard that.
yeah. So anyway, yeah, they're 24-16. They lost to the Penguins last night.
But they had a
great game.
overtime
Yeah,
win.
they did.
What was that? Saturday or Sunday? Saturday against the Blues.
Okay.
It was first period we were down 3-0.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Oh man, there we go."
Uh-huh.
And next thing you know, it was like bam 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 overtime. Where was I heading? I was heading down. I was literally going down I think to the park. Where was I at? Oh, Aria. I had to go to Aria.
Oh, okay.
And there was so much traffic, so I just realized they had came out, but that all the fans were hyped because it was a 5-4 overtime win. So the Knights slipped down to second place
In the Pacific
in
West,
the
but that's okay.
division, but they're gonna get it.
Yeah, they are. I mean, it's still a lot of games left. A lot of games. This
Yeah,
is a long season in NHL.
We haven't even hit up the All-Star break yet.
Yeah,
End
exactly.
of the month.
Yeah. And so I read somewhere Mark Fleury is not going to be participating in All-Star. I know that our head coach is one of the All-Star coaches.
I thought no. Oh, Mark Fleury's not.
I don't think so.
participating. Oh,
I don't know. I was I'm thinking I had read that, but maybe I.
Well, no, he got
That's
voted in. I don't,
He's voted in. He's not participating.
partic-
Gets suspended a game for not participating.
Got you. Is he
Really?
not participating? He's not, right? That's
No.
what I
you
read.
get suspended for not participating in
Yeah.
the All-Star game?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
I
So
mean,
he's
they
not
didn't do
gonna
that
do
in the NBA. They don't get suspended for games if they don't come to the All-Star game.
This is NHL.
Yeah.
And,
Thank you, Quan.
You're welcome.
Shout out to Quan providing that knowledge because I knew I wasn't going crazy. I was like, I read somewhere he's not going to do it. He's not participating, even though he's voted in, like you said.
That's odd.
Yeah. So they play the Kings on Sunday, and what is it? No, tonight, 7:00. They play the LA Kings,
Okay.
and that was my hockey team
Was it?
before the lights. If I had to claim a hockey team, I
Before
was
the
sticking to
Knights.
before the Knights.
Yeah.
I had to,
Oh,
keep it
really?
West Coast. So I was always
Well,
like
you can
Kings.
stick with the whole black and silver movement.
That's why I was like feeling them.
Okay.
The NWA would wear the Kings hats and the Raiders hats and stuff like that.
I didn't have
so-
a hockey team before that. I mean, we had the Thunderbirds, which is like a minor league team, or the Canucks, I guess,
Yeah.
because they're Vancouver and I
Right.
was in Seattle.
Close enough.
But nobody really,
was feeling it like
yeah,
that.
we didn't have it like
Nah,
that.
because you guys had the Supersonics and all that other good stuff at one point.
Right.
And the Mariners when they were hot.
When they were hot, I
Yeah.
mean, we might have had like a playoff run in like '96.
Yeah,
but
that was when you
other
guys
than
were hot. That was when y'all was hot.
that, maybe one in '99.
You guys had a couple hot moments. Baby.
They haven't been in playoffs for over 20 years, but hey, no big deal.
Shoot, that's how it feels like for the Dodgers to me. But there.
It'll be our day one day.
Jeez. What's up with the plans for the hockey team out there? Is that happening? Or
It
we need to
is.
know for
So
Seattle?
they're still. So it's actually their practice facility is getting built up at my house in Shoreline, up in
Oh, okay.
Seattle, by Northgate Mall, in Midfield Northgate Mall.
Yeah.
They are actually putting the practice facility there. It hasn't. I don't think they really started construction yet, but the actual facility is gonna. They're basically regutting out Key Arena and doing a whole renovation there.
Oh,
So.
nice.
That's the reason why the Storm were playing at UW's Peck Ed Pavilion this last year, and will probably be for this season too, because they're remodeling the whole Key Arena. So it'll be for hockey and the Storm.
Oh, nice.
And then one day the Seattle Sonics will come back and have their own new facility, probably in like the Georgetown area or something.
I hope they do come back for you guys.
I know.
You guys deserve an NBA team.
I know.
Like we do.
Let's just take the Thunder back.
Yeah, you guys want Chris Paul?
Not really, but they've got a bunch of
Young
picks
guys that
coming
are
up next
yeah,
year.
they got picks, yeah.
Sonics will be back and they'll play in Key Arena.
They won't play in Key
Yeah, they
Arena.
will.
No, they won't.
Want to put money on it now?
Yeah,
I
let's run it
guarantee
now.
they will.
You think so?
They're renovating that for hockey, and then the Sonics will be able to come back.
Mm-hmm.
You're welcome.
I like Quan's
I'm muting my mic
now.
again.
Not really.
Don't mute your mic anymore.
Guarantee it.
Don't mute your mic.
Guarantee.
Don't mute your mic.
Hashtag
Everybody listening on
Quanstradamus.
Quanstradamus, hashtag Quanstradamus. We want Magic Quanson to come on too because we got to talk these Lakers because they're 30-7. We'll get into basketball in a minute, but
And
I
he
just
said
want-
he will come on the show once Cox Internet is working
will come
properly.
on?
Yeah, Magic Quanson. He said he
I'll
won't
talk
come
to him.
on until Cox Internet is working back up and everybody can see our lovely faces.
Wow, that's tough.
I think it'll happen. That means it's gonna happen.
That means you got to bet
Because
on
Cox
Cox.
gonna do right. Cox is gonna do
I
right.
don't know if you
Well, they
can
gonna
do
have to do
that.
right.
I don't know if I can do that. Oh, finally some music. No more jazz. Yes.
Well, he's playing a little hip hop before. He's
So
playing-
here's my question for those running Rebel fans out there. They're actually doing pretty good. I mean, I won't say they're not doing as bad as they were, but they've won 4 straight. They've won the last 2. One of them was even, I think, Utah State, which had like a winning record.
so they're 8-8 now.
I mean, that's better than what they were. They were like 4 or 6-8 or something.
Okay, so is that a reason for me to get out of my house and go and watch
No.
him play?
No,
Okay.
but I'm still wondering why no one else is still going.
Maybe the same reason I'm feeling.
But we already feel like that. But guess what? If you're a die-hard Rebel fan, like if you're wearing their UNLV sweatshirts and hoodies and hats and beanies all around Las Vegas, why aren't you at the game?
There is a reason. Because they usually show up just for something to do. But I think it's either because we have nights here and we have other stuff going on. And we're going into divisional playoffs right now. Everybody's football focused right now. UNLV will pick up. They will pick up. Let's just wait till this NFL and everything is a little simmer down. And then everybody will concentrate on basketball. But everybody's on pins and needles with these division playoffs right now. So that's what it is. I think that's the mood right now.
I guess.
And then the poor women, the Lady Rebels, 6-8.
But they
that's not
also
bad,
have
too.
won
They're
too.
not.
They won like 2 or 3 last games as
Okay,
well.
so they're not bad.
I mean, I don't know. Now it's more getting into their conference play.
Now, I really feel like I personally should make an effort to go watch the Lady Rebels play.
Yeah.
Because we're girls and we chat sports, and why not support the Lady
Do
Rebels?
we? Do we chat sports?
I don't know. Do we?
So you're girls and you chat sports.
Yeah, because we're girls.
Can you
we
believe
chat
that?
sports.
That should be your commercial.
So. Should it?
Hi, we're girls and we chat sports. Every
Guess
Wednesday,
what?
6 p.m. on Gorilla Cross
I
Radio.
love
Only when
that.
Cox works.
Only when Cox works.
I mean,
I love
Verizon is helping us out tonight because this is a hot.
Shout-
This
shout-
is
man,
streaming.
Shout out to Verizon.
Streaming
Shout out
on a
to
hotspot.
Verizon, man.
Because
Let me tell you
I've got my
something.
computer on my hotspot. I got Verizon.
Yeah,
Hey,
Verizon. Verizon is the best phone company.
and somebody gave me a Verizon gift card for
Mhm.
Christmas,
I
and I bought an
did.
Amazon Fire Stick.
You did?
Yeah,
That's all you
Thank
had
you.
enough for?
I hope you got the
Thank
voice one because I got
You're
that one. I'll be like,
I don't know. I think
you.
So you got
I
you a
haven't hooked
Fire
it up
Stick?
yet. Yeah,
Aw,
for
Merry
when we get
Christmas.
another TV in here.
Merry
we'll need
Christmas,
it.
Quan.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we were eating those delicious mangoes that Mel got you for Christmas too. So
But the
it's a
Fire
dinner.
Stick only works with internet Cox cable
Oh well,
or Cox Communications, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
you're gonna struggle with that one.
Man, we're gonna be juggling cocks all day.
And somebody,
See?
Wow.
Now I
anyway, somebody
can't.
corrected you.
Service.
The Knights play the Kings tomorrow night, not tonight.
Oh, it's not tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's tomorrow night. All righty.
A loyal listener corrected you.
Who's our loyal listener that's listening?
Quan.
Rosalie
No
Ogden.
kidding.
Oh, shout out to Rosalie.
Shout out Rosalie.
Thank you, Rosalie.
She asks when your show's on all the time.
Oh, nice. Wednesdays, we're girls who chat sports every Wednesday, 6 p.m. on Gorilla Cross Radio. And we stream live on Facebook and YouTube
Let them know, Mo.
And Twitter
and Twitter.
and Twitch.
And you can call in.
Hey, we got
Not
some
tonight.
lights updates. I cannot with you guys.
So what's up with the lights? What's going on with my favorite
So, well, you
soccer
know
team?
the open. I think we
Tryouts.
should just sneak over there on Saturday just to check it out.
Yeah, I was curious about that because anybody can go. to
So
this.
it's open. It's open registration by 9. Their first, I guess, practice. Their first, whatever they call it, drills are at 10 a.m. Cashman Field. To go online and register first because there is a small fee, but you'll end up getting a ticket or two back if you don't make the team. But you could be the next local sensation for the Las Vegas Lights.
Yeah, you could. 'Cause we've got
Um,
them already on the team. It's not like they don't pick them.
No,
We
and they
draft
also
them.
announced their first game, which is going to be on the road in San Diego
Right.
with their new expansion team.
Mhm.
And then they come back here. I think it's March the 14th. Isn't that St. Patrick's Day? Or 17th?
No,
St.
17
Patrick's
is March. Yeah.
So it's the 14th is a Saturday, and that's their first home game
Viva Lights. I can't wait.
against Sacramento.
I'm loving that they're back. They're coming back. I miss my lights.
And then they also have a new program. It used to be called like reading goals, but now it's called school goals
Oh, yeah.
because before it was like all about how many books you can read and blah blah
Mm-hmm.
blah. Now it's about what other kind of goals is the school wanting from you, like is it your attendance, behavior, reading, grades, whatever the case may be. Schools can go to their website, sign up, and be part of the program to have like the mascot and to have like one of the players or coaches come and do an assembly, and then they also give them free tickets for reaching their goals.
Oh, that's cute.
Hello, free tickets.
So Cash will show up.
Yeah,
Coach
just spin around a few
Ronaldo,
times.
Spin around a few times
you
on the
know.
bike. Yeah, that'll be dope.
So that's pretty cool. I like that they're getting
Yeah.
involved with the school.
And it's never too late to get the season tickets for the lights either.
They
um,
still have that holiday package.
Yeah, they still have
too.
a holiday package online, and you can still go to what is it, the La Bonita
La
supermarkets,
Bonita.
La Bonita, the pretty supermarkets, and see what's good with them and the tickets. Now, are they still doing any more patches with nights? I go back to nights now. No, the patch thing
The
is
patches
over?
were gone. They were like 4. There was 5 of them.
Oh, okay, and then that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Good
hopefully they bring them back out because people are using them on eBay for like to pay their rent.
Yeah.
Basically now it seems
That's
like.
crazy. Why do that? Like, seriously. I understand when you're flipping sneakers and stuff because that game is real, but these patches are like,
It's crazy.
wouldn't you want to just have that?
How do you not? I don't know. I
I'd
guess
want that.
Whatever. It is what it is.
So, not only am I missing my lights, but I'm also missing the aces too. I miss my girls. What
yeah.
are they up to?
So the girls, so Kayla, Kelsey, and Asia, they all are back with Team USA.
Oh, okay.
They've
Yeah.
got 2 games. I think it's Connecticut. I forgot the other place. They're playing 2 college teams. I think the end of January, beginning of February, and also our assistant coach is on the team as
Oh,
far
nice.
as with some of the. I can't remember. She's doing drills and some other things.
And don't
but-
lose like you did to Oregon, ladies.
Oh, here, yeah. So January 27th they play in Yukon, and then February 2nd they play at Louisville. Both
Okay.
those are on ESPN or ESPN2. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's nice for those girls to be playing because they're also playing the rest of the team. Sue
Overseas.
Bird, Tina Charles, Skylar Diggins, Sylvia Foles, Chelsea Gray, Brianna Stewart, Deanna
Yeah.
Ross. I mean,
And Brianna Stewart's back. That's going to make for a great season after all the injury and everything.
and they still did so good last year.
Yeah, I
with the
know.
Seattle Storm, of course.
I know.
Oh,
Yeah,
goodness.
Seal
gracious.
Tatum's do pretty well.
I know. I'm excited about that.
Yeah. So my Raiders construction is going very, 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 very well. It's starting to look really
Yeah?
nice. It's almost looking like a Death Star. Like on Star Wars, they're calling it like the Death Star too. I think that's what they're going to call the training facility. But I'm loving the owl and how it's going to look. And then they showed of course, computer generized kind of mock-ups of the interior and what to expect as far as concessions, the lounger.
Oh,
It's gonna
really?
be really
What
next
was
level.
that looking like?
It was nice, pretty next level. So for all of those who aren't Raider fans but definitely want to come to the Al Stadium, I'm not that Raider hater where you hate my team but you want to show up in our stadium because we have opposing teams that we play. So you may be there for the opposing teams, but don't be talking mess about my Raiders. But you step your foot in the Al, okay? As soon as you step your foot in the Al, you just better respect the Al and know where you are. Silver and black everywhere.
That's like any other stadium, though.
No, this is a different exception. This
It's
is an
like,
exception to the rule.
No,
It's an
no,
exception
not
to the
an
rule.
exception.
It's an
Because when the
exception.
Seahawks play their pregame, I'm disrespecting all of it.
No, you're not. Not here in Vegas. We ain't playing that. And I don't think you've seen these Raider fans. Nah, that's not happening. It may happen on the visitor side. You better not sit on the home side trying to pull that stuff. The owl is a different animal.
The
And
owl.
this stadium going to be
Mo's
treated
pet
so
now.
special. And let me just tell you something. And shout out to Edith, one of our loyal listeners, followers. She posted on our girl chat page about the bricks being sold, commemorative bricks, where you could get your name etched in the brick and be part of the.
Shout out
the
to
bricks.
Young Choi because he actually is looking into purchasing one now.
Yeah, they're up to
Hit me about it.
$1,500. I think they
They're
started like
$1,000 for one brick, 8x8. So here's the
no, they're
big-
sizes. So the one is like
8x8, $1,000.
that's the bigger one, but they go smaller.
Right,
They have
but
smaller.
8
bricks.
inches. I mean, not even like you got to think about 8 inches.
What
by
if I bring?
8
What if I
inches.
bring? What if I bring my own brick? Paint it
You
black
can't.
here with Quan's
But
paint
here's
and
what's
just go
crazy,
there.
and that's what I learned, and I didn't mean to cut you off.
Yeah.
But so Young says that for the Minnesota Vikings stadium, $150 for the same brick. And I think there was one for, I don't know if it was the Chargers or somewhere else he had it, because he's bought a brick pretty much any new stadium that comes up, $150. But in Vegas, it's $1,000.
What have I been seeing this whole time? The owl is special. It is different. You guys don't understand the magnitude of us having
I'm
a
gonna
first
choke Al
professional
out.
team in Las Vegas in the year of 2020. That was something us born and raised people didn't think or have the foresight to think that would ever happen. So it is special and it is different. So yeah, that 8x8 is gonna be $1,000. They're gonna pay it too. Anybody that wants it, they pay for everything else.
Oh my goodness.
You pay for a table and bottle service for $2,000, so $1,000 brick shouldn't be nothing for y'all.
Yeah, I'd rather have
That's
the brick
facts.
than the bottle. That's
exactly. You consuming the bottle. You ain't taking it out the club. So
for sure. And that brick gonna be there for at least a good 20 to 30 years.
absolutely. I think it'd be cool if we did like a family brick. If we all just put in like 10 people and we could just sign the brick like this is the crew.
I think it has to be made. I don't think you can just sign it. I think it's like they're chiseling or they
Yeah, but if everybody put it in whatever you wanted chiseled on it, would it be enough for?
I don't know.
I'm
I was
curious.
asking him to try and put something sly about like 12s on it, and he goes, "I don't think they'll approve that."
Yeah, see,
I was like,
here we go.
"Can we
trying
do
to
Seattle
infiltrate the
for
owl.
life? Can we
No,
do
That's not gonna work.
12th woman?"
I'm telling you, you're not gonna be able to come in the owl disrespecting. I'm telling you that right now. I can't wait though. We
I gotta
cannot wait
devise
till
a
July
plan.
2020. It's gonna be exciting though.
Well, yeah, because there's not like you're doing anything else right now.
No, we're not. We're undefeated right now though.
You got the head start on the 2020.
We sure do. Las Vegas Raiders. No wins, no losses.
Oh my gosh. If anyone's out there wants to give us a call to
No,
break
no.
the monotony.
I
I don't even know if we
my
on.
discussion's monotonous with the Raiders. I love it.
No, but we're going to talk about some wild
Let's talk about
cards,
wild
some
card
divisional
games.
rounds.
Yeah.
Give us a call. Give us your input on what you think our good parlay ticket would be for this weekend. Yeah? There's some good bets, possibly.
I mean, I'm looking at the spreads. A lot of the teams are like -10. They got you guys 4. -4.
Packers are
Packers.
-4.
Yeah, right. But that's what I'm saying. So you guys to lose by 4, you usually win by 3. What's the 4 for? I'm just curious about that.
Well, they get an automatic 3 for home field, depending on if it's.
Oh, is that how that works?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I think
okay.
that one's probably going to shift. I
It
feel
is
like the
gonna
Chiefs
shift.
is going to shift because their Chiefs are like 9.5 right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the Ravens game is -10. They got Baltimore -10.
I saw 9 today.
I saw 10 on ESPN.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna change by the
It's
end of the
gonna
week, and that's what I was telling
fluctuate.
my hairdresser.
and
today.
depending on where you bet too,
Yeah, exactly.
because I know Stations is different than Westgate,
And
it's
South
different
Point
than,
is
yeah,
totally different from everybody.
it's a whole.
Yeah, a whole nother
Yes,
side of
that.
town and area.
So we had the Bills and Texans went into overtime. Shout out to Natasha. It's her birthday today. Our girl
Yes,
Natasha. Her
yes.
birthday today, as well as the big Houston win that she was there for. I saw a couple of her live videos, and she was kind of
She lost her voice, so
well, and she was sitting there like, I can't leave, but I need to stay. I need to. We got this, and they did. They got it in overtime. There was 2 overtime games in the wild card playoffs.
And that was the first of the one, right?
Yeah,
Never happened before. Vikings and Saints.
and then Mr. Henry came through New England and tore that piece. Wow. So the Patriots had been the number 1 AFC East spot for 10 years.
Mhm.
And
got broken.
this year lost to the Dolphins. So they were knocked out the first place and had to play on Saturday in the wild card against the Titans
Mhm.
at home, which, figured probably could have done okay.
No, didn't happen.
Tom threw a pick 6 for his last
I know.
toss
I saw that.
to a former teammate, which was nice. It was a little goodbye present.
He gonna go. Is Natalie okay?
Natalie is actually going to join us for her birthday. We're going to have a birthday show
I know,
with
but is
her.
she okay right now? Because
She turned off her phone.
She really did.
She
has
really
been-
did.
She
No,
is
she
not
really-
active on any social.
Natalie,
now that you
she's
bring that
okay
up,
now, but from Sunday, when was that? Saturday night? So basically from Saturday into most of Sunday, her phone was off.
But it's funny that you bring that up because I see no posts from her, unless I'm just not seeing her. Because
Natalie,
she didn't even comment on me
Chime in.
jumping in on the Bitmoji of her freaking flipping the table over and curled up in a ball. None of that. But all that matters is that you checked on her.
I did check. I want to make sure she was okay. I mean, I was trying to not rub it in, but be like, hey, you guys had a great
Right.
run. Congratulations. I'm sure Tom will be back next year.
And shout out to my boy Sean Christian because he's a big Patriots fan. He at least checked in on that whole post I made about Natalie. He's okay. He was crying on his Tom Brady pillow. I know. It's all right. It'll be okay.
Donnell, the brick is $1,000 for an 8x8 at the Raiders Stadium. A G.
That's the big one. You can get a small, teeny,
A
a
small tiny one.
tiny ones. I was
Yeah.
like itty bitty, but I said itty bitty ones for what? Start at $300 or $400, $500.
I don't know.
I think it's like 500. You saw 1,000. You went straight for the 1,000.
No, that's what he sent me one that was 8x8, and it's
Oh, you didn't see the post
$1,000.
that Edith posted
No.
because she had the details on it. Oh, okay.
No, I've been busy at work today. Shoot.
Really?
I know. It seems like I don't. I know. I do work. So that was the Titans and Patriots. Then we had the biggest upset, I feel, the Vikings at Saints.
Yeah. Listen, I was not expecting that. And Saints are my second team. I had no
and in
idea.
the house of New
Right.
Orleans, like
Mercedes-Benz Superdome. What were you guys thinking out there? But it was a play that was at the end of the game.
right
Again, we get another
went to
pass interference.
overtime. Went to overtime.
Right.
Go ahead, give us the
No,
breakdown.
I'm just gonna say another pass interference type of thing that was in question, which it wasn't to me a PI, but that's another debate that the Saints fans are gonna be ticked off about.
I would be. I mean,
It kind of, I don't know. I never
It's
know
tough.
these rules in
It's
overtime
tough.
because when you go in overtime, the rules just change, and it's just kind of like if it's a missed call, it's just gonna have to lay where it is,
yeah,
and that's unfortunate
and
because
it
I
changes
really
depending
thought,
on whatever referees are out there.
right, exactly,
or whoever's in the office in New York.
There you go, because they said everything, the decision is upstairs,
Like, just-
and no one wants to take that chance, and the coaches can't challenge in overtime, and like it's just.
Whew, you just don't want to be in that predicament.
I just didn't want to be in New Orleans when that happened. I know that was just crazy.
But you know what? We'll say this. Even when I went to New Orleans, we did lose, but we were up, I think, at halftime. Is that their fans are not aggressive. Their fans are just all about kicking it, having fun. I didn't have an issue with their fans like I would have had with other places. Like when I went to Jacksonville, their fans were fun.
Mm-hmm.
Philly's fans aren't. And as Jadeveon Clowney knows,
We
they
gotta
got
talk about him
they got
too.
death threats out.
Oh well, rightfully so. That hit was kind of hard. It wasn't
Death
intentional.
threats on you and your family, though.
Oh no, that's a little egregious. You know, the super fans are kind of crazy.
I'm just saying, like, that was a little bit out of context. Like, okay, we can debate on the hit and whether it was intentional or not.
I don't think it was intentional.
I don't think so either. But the fact that this man is now getting death threats from it, like, come on.
You ever seen that movie, The Fan, with Wesley Snipes and Robert De Niro, where
Yeah.
he's a baseball? That's how some of these people are.
They're crazy.
They are. Their whole life is this.
Yeah, I know.
It's a sad thing.
I mean, we love sports too, but we're
I know,
not
but it's a sad thing when you can take yourself out of the element. You have no stock vested in it. You're not making. It'd be one thing if you were like, I'm an investor in this and I'm losing millions. You know.
But say you're
even
gonna
though
kill someone's family or kill them,
people are
like,
killed for less. Not to justify it, but it's crazy.
take that anger out with Washington D.C.
Well, take it out on the just the gym. Maybe they're probably big as this table too, and that
They
kind
probably
of stuff.
can't get up
Being-
from the table.
They probably can't. I'm stuck. My 600-pound
They're in their
life.
bed.
I'm just gonna send Jadavion Clowney a death threat. My life. Jeez. People get it together.
Cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice. Take that out on the gym, man.
Oh man. So that leads into my next game, the
Yeah.
Seahawks at the Eagles. You know, it's funny because the last two Seattle games, I think most of the broadcast that leads into the game is like, you know how they give you like who they think is going to win.
Mhm.
And I was like 80% vote for their team. And there might be like one person that's going for the Seahawks. Same thing again happened with the Philadelphia game. I think they're out of the 6 people, I think 2 went for Seattle, 4 had the Philly winning the game. What do you know? We
Well,
won.
here's the thing. Did you guys not score until the second half of that again?
No, we scored.
Oh, you scored in the first half?
Yeah, we scored first. We had
That's
a
right.
field goal in the first
Okay,
quarter.
that's right. First quarter field
Yeah.
goal.
Now
Okay.
Carson Wentz did get hurt in the first quarter
Yeah.
and leave, and then you had Josh McCown to.
And I
you know-
also think too, if that was a what if, you know, if you had Carson Wentz in the game, how that scoring would have been, because they were scoreless totally after that. I mean, no, they had one more scoring. I think it was off of a field goal, and then
Yeah, and
that
I
was
don't
it.
necessarily know if Carson Wentz would have made. I mean, yeah, Josh had a couple of bad passes, but he actually hit a couple good ones too. It was more just like Philly wasn't playing. I don't think they played D pretty well, which kept us from running the ball a lot. But they missed out on, they were playing man. They missed out on some great, DK Metcalf had a game.
It's about time. But he's been this rookie kid that's been doing it. though,
He had
for
a
you guys. He's
53-yard
killing it.
touchdown.
Yeah.
He had, I think, his like, I think he's the highest rookie.
Yeah, he is.
For
Right.
passing yards, I believe. But he went seven for 160. That's crazy. His touchdown was 53 yards. I heard him on one of the morning shows today, and a lot of his family. He's got some family out here in Vegas and stuff too. But it's just interesting that he's coming out of his bubble in the playoffs. What's interesting now, though, is us traveling to Green Bay.
Yeah,
as
come on the Lambo.
As a former Husky is there, Kevin King, cornerback. He is having one of his great breakouts years this year. I think he came last year, I believe. But that's going to be a crazy matchup because DK's 6'4" and Kevin King's like 6'3".
It ain't gonna be that crazy.
I think it'll be a little crazy.
I wish y'all luck in Lambos. All I can say, because that's gonna be tough.
Well, we have. Let's see. We've tried to win there before.
Devontae Adams, who's gonna
We
stop
haven't
him?
won there since '99. Quandre Diggs, hopefully.
Mhm.
But we did lose. We were there in 04 and 08, both losses. We have beat them at our house, of course.
Yeah, but you guys have been winning a lot on the roads, and like the
Well,
road has
that's
been your
the other
strength.
thing. Yes,
yeah.
is that our away.
Yeah.
Well, our away record is great. I think we've only lost one on the road.
And they're shocked too because with Russell too, the other question comes up is the weather.
Yeah.
But he can play to it. For some odd reason, that little guy can play to this weather. I mean,
Right.
Seattle is not super freezing, but you've got cold and rain and that kind of thing.
Right.
But very
And I
like
feel like they could. There was a freezing cold game that we played in Minnesota one
right,
year
and it was
won.
yeah, and you
And
won.
that was and these guys were like, DK was already talking about not wearing a sleeveless shirt.
right.
Like, I'm freezing when it's 60. So.
But it was impressive too because weren't you guys playing in Minnesota too?
Mhm.
And then you were playing in Philly.
Yeah.
So that was
That was
like
already
the
cold.
weather was cold.
Yeah.
So he already scrambled through that.
Only thing that's gonna suck for us is that, of course, Green Bay's had the break. They were on a bye.
Right.
We've went to Philly, flown back to Seattle, and now got to fly back out to Green Bay.
But that could be a downside to them too because they lose their momentum of how they play because
but they
of the
also
break.
get to rest. Us, we're still dealing with injuries.
Right.
You know, Jadeveon's still dealing with some rib issues and some,
And still playing, which was crazy to me. I was like, okay, your rib is really that jacked up, and you're walking right back on the field. If it gets cracked, like
And
what's
why not?
that?
Well,
What are you gonna do?
Yeah. But the good news for Seattle also is that should we make it past this round, Dwayne Brown was practicing a little bit today, and we do need him. Michael Kendricks did get put on IR, but they did bring up a tackle from the practice squad, and so he's gonna be playing with us. So
Yeah.
that's important because we do need some help on the offensive line. Hopefully, he's had some snaps. Hopefully, he's in the practice. Other than that, it seems like we are getting healthier. So if we can just stay on that track and not get any more injuries, I'm just worried about it's the defense. I know Russell's gonna get sacked like I'd say 4 times. There's an over under of 4. I would say I would take the over.
So if you guys lose this game, how are your feelings going to be?
Well, I will tell any other team out there, unless you are the 8 that are playing right now, I don't want to talk to you.
And how
'Cause-
long is that going to take
What?
for you not to talk to the other?
Here's the, I'm not going to get, there's a couple groups that I'm a part of where some Philly fans are really in their feelings. Like, we're bashing on everything comment that was said about them. Listen, we had a better season than what anyone thought we would.
Mm-hmm.
I think we were supposed to be like 9-7. You know, here we are into like the divisional playoff round. And if we can win here, this will be great. If we can't, we got this far off of a lot of injuries in the late part of the season.
I agree. I just was wondering where your feelings would be.
Yeah. I'll be disappointed because, of course, I want to see my team make it all the way to Super Bowl.
I'm just giving everybody out there, the listeners and watchers, a forewarning that if that happens, just don't talk.
I
to
already
me.
know that there'll be a couple memes with PowerPoint. What is it? The guys in the football bounce. They always do like your face on somebody else's body.
Oh,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
There'll be a few of those that I'm
Mhm.
on. I don't care. Like, whatever.
The green dress will turn into a Seahawks uniform.
Of course. And there'll be it'll be like a cheese head. It'll be a Packer.
Yeah, a Packer head on the green
Just
dress.
giving guys ideas now.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Let's just start it up, set it up.
I'm serious. No, but I am, in all honesty, I want my guys to win, of course. Everybody,
Of course.
We want our team to do
Yeah.
well. But I'm going to be proud of them for the season. I'm
Oh,
not
yeah.
going to hang my head like, oh, man, we could have won that. Da, 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 da.
Yeah,
So,
no reason to, especially with all the things that you had going on.
yeah. But next year, we'll have all our running backs back, hopefully.
And then you have draft, and you'll have
And speaking of the draft, Las Vegas. I think it's like April 22nd or 21st. It's like the Thursday it starts-ish. So
Mhm.
that's pretty intense.
yeah,
I'm looking forward to that.
I
can't
am
wait.
too.
I wonder where they're going to put it on the strip.
yeah,
We know it's not going to be a Sam Boyd.
yeah. I've heard some things I can't disclose, but
That's
it's
okay.
going to be amazing where it is.
I'm all for it.
Yeah,
All for
We're
it.
gonna be there
Make
for
sure
it.
you come out to Vegas. Hit up Kwan's couch here in the studio. What's your rate, Kwan?
whatever Cox is charging him to get his internet back
A
on.
lot.
What else has been going on? So, coaches.
God,
Dallas, y'all, I don't know.
new coach, who this? It's not a bad coach.
It's not Mike McCarthy.
No,
he's
in
good.
Green Bay, he got a ring.
Now,
it's not
will he
like
be
he's
able
bad.
to allow Jerry Jones the ability to control everything still?
Well, that's going to be the dynamic between the two of them because he doesn't like to be told what to do.
I was gonna say he didn't.
Yeah.
He doesn't come across.
He
as that
does
type
not.
of person.
He doesn't like to
So
take orders.
I'm curious to know how that's gonna work.
Yeah, he doesn't negotiate with terrorists. So I get it. You know what I mean? So it's going to be an interesting dynamic, but it was kind of like, why him though? But again, we've had this debate and we were talking about why not others, you know? The problem with this particular hiring is it works. It's safe. It's not going to teeter or totter. And I think that's what Jerry Jones needs because he is coaching the team and he's running the team and he will never, ever lose reign of that. So you'll never get a strong coach that's going to challenge him. That's going to tell him to take his old butt upstairs
Sure,
and sit down.
but I think he is somebody that can be like, listen,
He will be the one to be more
Listen,
directive
Jerry.
and say, look, I got this. This is the plan of action that we're
because we
going to
know
do.
Jason couldn't do that at all.
No,
Jason
no,
was
no, no, no,
broken.
no. Well, he was a family too. It's kind of hard to do. It's kind of hard to get into.
Mixing business.
Yeah, you
and
can't do that.
personal
You know, you got to
stuff.
still sit at the dinner table or Thanksgiving dinners with this guy. Like, I don't know.
But
That
that's
was
the
never
nature of
gonna
the
work.
beast. Like,
That was never
that's your
gonna work.
job.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I
So-
think he will be definitely more of a directive type coach where he's going to be.
Well, and they're talking
Plays.
about Jason Garrett possibly for an assistant, like an
Yeah,
OC,
OC, yeah,
over
I saw
at the
that. Mm-hmm.
Giants, which I don't know. The Giants, I don't. They have what's the guy's name? Jones Judge. Yeah.
Judge, yeah, that's another one. What are you gonna do, Joe Judge? Joe Judge Brown. I don't know. I just whatever.
Donnell's talking about the Rooney Rule.
Yeah, the Rooney Rules.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, we already know what that was. The thing of it is we've already talked about this. I don't want to get into this again, but
Uh-oh.
it's crazy. We already know what the NFL does, so
Yeah.
we just, I guess, have to sit there and take it and see what
Um,
happens. You never know what's going to happen with this new coach. You just never know. I don't
Like,
know.
where they find? I just don't know how they. I mean, I know where he was from, but it's like, out of all your choices,
Oh, you had several choices,
right?
and people to choose from.
And you're gonna pick the receivers coach.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean,
makes
you know,
sense.
Hey, whatever.
Makes sense when it's NFL.
But the
How they do it.
Panthers also hired a coach.
Yes.
Baylor's head coach.
Yes.
Here's the deal.
They should have never got rid of the other one.
7 years, $60 million, possibly $70 million a year.
Still not Gruden's $100 million,
Well, no,
but that's still a lot.
to go from Baylor to Carolina making almost $70 million.
It's even more insulting when we talk about this because you have existing or previous NFL former coaches, the Hugh Jacksons out there and that kind of thing that are not having jobs. It just doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah, well,
But you're gonna pay another
but
guy
Hugh
from
Ja-
Baylor
I mean,
from seven.
Yeah,
That's really.
I'm just saying, like, I think the Brown. Anything that touches the Browns is just. I mean,
They're jinxed and cursed. And I'm not saying that, but he was a former Raider coach too. But I'm not saying just because of the Browns thing. I'm just thinking you might be thinking because of the Browns that might taint his record, stain him to get any other possibility.
I mean, I feel like anything that once you've been associated with the Browns and their tanking
Oh.
system over there, it's kind of like, well,
It's like the scarlet letter of NFL.
Yeah,
like we don't
maybe.
want anything.
I mean, definitely there's some promise to any of the gentlemen that are still out for contention for
Right.
head coach. But you know, when you have to put them as like their last job or like the last, couple jobs they've had, and the Browns is one of them as their head coach in the last forever, 30 years, like, I don't know.
I don't either. No say, as they say in Espanol.
No
say.
say.
hmm So the divisional round is coming up
Yes.
this Saturday.
Yes.
Great games. We were talking about this. We already talked about Seahawks and Packers, Texans and Chiefs. Tasha, I love you, but I'm gonna be realistic.
Watson and Mahomes.
That's gonna be a good matchup.
P.S. Did you see Watson get out of that like a double attempted sack and just miraculously walk
He
out of
scrambled
it?
out and walked out
He was like Khaleesi walking out of like a burning house, like boom,
with the dragons and everything behind her.
and still tossed the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
I expect them to put some points on the board, but I feel like with Mahomes' passing game, it's just gonna be outscoring game all day. I don't see the Texans going past 20 on their scoring.
I don't see it being a blowout, but
I kind of do.
yeah.
You're playing in Kansas City too? I don't know. You going to Arrowhead
What's the
I'll
weather
keep it-
like this time of year?
in Kansas
Is it
City?
snowing
I don't know.
yet?
I gotta ask Siri. Like, hey Siri, what's the weather in Kansas City? See if Siri.
I just feel like they've gotten this far. I feel like we're going to be just like last weekend. We saw more tight games. I
Right.
feel like we've gotten to a point of the season. It's playoffs. People are coming with all they got, and there might be a little chance for having a closer game.
I mean, to keep it a buck with you with the Bills and Texans game, Bills defense just kind of fell flat towards that second half and even into overtime, which kind of lost them on the game.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't see the Texans being a good matchup for Kansas City. I just don't think I don't think it's gonna be close.
Yeah.
I don't. Kansas City defense is, yes, very shaky, but still, I just don't see it. I don't know. You never know. Stranger
never
things have
know.
happened any given
And then
Saturday.
there's those Vikings at the 49ers.
Oh, that's a blowout to me. I don't see Kirk Cousins and company. I felt like that's going to be a high-scoring game on the 49ers side.
I know, but no one saw
Even
the
with the
Vikings
energies.
coming in to beat the Saints either.
No, but the Saints have been kind of shockers this whole season. They lost to who the other,
They lost to the Niners.
but they lost to also Atlanta Falcons. They lost. I mean, I
I'm
don't
just keeping my hope. Give them a run for their money.
know. Nah, I trust that Niner game. I'm not even doubting them anymore. I'm not
I don't know.
gonna.
They're not like a playoff They don't got a lot of playoff.
I mean, it's still one more round after this round. So that's where it's going to be
Oh,
more
for
where I
sure.
say, okay, 49ers, maybe there's a chance they may not go all the way.
Well, the deal is,
But I
is
feel
if
like they'll beat
the
this thing.
Vikings beat the Niners, they'll have, and then we beat the Packers, they'll have to come to Seattle.
Yeah.
If we beat the Packers and then the Vikings lose, then they go to California
Okay.
for a little
Reunion.
battle. Little battle.
And that'll be a good battle.
Yeah,
I'd like to see that show.
I would too.
That's the one I'd say would be more closer of a game than this one. Quan, I feel like Niner game had this.
I don't know. It's too much. It's too much.
No comment.
Okay. He doesn't want to jinx it. I get it. Quasajamas was
I
predicted.
already gave my Quanstradamus prediction.
Yeah, you were wrong too over the
When?
weekend. Wild card
I'm
playoffs.
talking
You picked
about
the
the
Bills.
Niner game.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't see your post.
Yeah, I was wrong on some of the games.
A couple of them, but you're not wrong on this one.
Oh my God, he was wrong.
No, I saw his post. I respected it because I was picking what he was
A lot
picking.
of people were wrong,
Yeah, we were.
but I did pick Texans over. New
Oh, you
England.
did? Oh, yeah, negative. Yeah. That's because we hate the Patriots. We want anybody to beat them.
Shout out to Mike Dixon chimed in. What's up,
Oh, where's Mike been?
I don't even join, but where you been?
Yeah,
MIA. Literally, like in MIA, or I think he's just
And shout out to
MIA.
Donnell because he says that the 49ers are fully healthy for the first time since October. Ooh. Uh-oh, Lucy.
I wouldn't say that's fully healthy though. I think part of it is we have all the players playing.
Okay.
I don't think they're all healthy,
Mm.
but they're back playing. Quan Alexander's going to be there. D4 is going to be there.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Quan
Yeah,
Alexander.
that's, man.
Yeah,
I should
you-
tag him in a
Quan
photo
Ale-
again.
Yes,
I mean, you
please
always
do.
do.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me.
Okay.
I'll get into my this dude. So Gardner Minshew pulled off the ultimate Uncle Rico and announced that he's going to take a little time off from his rookie year.
Excuse me?
Well, because his season's over, so
Right,
it's
right,
time
time
off
off.
from his rookie year,
PTO.
and he's going to be taking his new RV across the country.
Oh, he's getting ready to do a reality show.
And he wants everybody to chime in on places that he should stop. But I'm saying, like, I think we need to tweet to Gardner to, like, come here. I'll tag the Gardner Minshew show on it. And he should, because he's going from Florida to LA.
Oh, he's
So
got
he
to do
might
a
as well.
reality show. Somebody's going to be filming him doing all this, huh?
And it's so funny to watch him because you're like, it really could be Uncle Rico.
Yeah, but I feel like it's so going to be a reality show. Like,
And
I feel
so
like
what?
cameras
Like,
are going to be
go for it.
rolling.
Of course.
For
Why not?
real.
If not, he'll be tweeting the whole time or doing. Anyway, I thought that was funny. So I'm excited to see where his RV across the country takes him.
Better not be a whack trip.
Huh?
It better not be a whack trip across the country.
I don't know. I don't know. Who knows? My Kingdom moment, of course, goes to Tom Brady and the Patriots. I mean,
Officially, yes.
you know, you lose them once to the Miami, then you lose them twice to
I
the
feel like it's
Titans.
a tie with the Coug did.
With who?
I'm just going to put this out there, and I know they're not in divisional playoffs, but the Cowboys. They Couged it the whole
I think
season.
it's the Cowboys fans.
That's what I was about to get to. The fans, so
They Couged it.
delusional that they were going to go to the
Watch out for next year, though. They got a new coach.
new
They're
coach.
ready
Ready
to
definitely
go
going to the Super Bowl now.
all the way. All the way.
Hey, man, Raiders fans, we were realistic. We dumbed ourselves down. We said, oh, well, we probably only win 4 games this year. At least we were a little realistic. We know we're not going to no Super Bowl.
Man, listen. Hey, Monday is the college football championship.
Oh, yeah.
Clemson with LSU.
LSU?
I'm trying to look
Yep.
up right now what that spread is.
Yeah.
I got the Tigers.
I got the Tigers,
Quanstradamus.
too. I got the Tigers,
Guarantee
too.
it.
Joe
Oh, I'm
Burrows.
taking the Tigers,
Yeah.
but I wanted to see what the
And
actual
what did I
spread
say
was
early this
gonna be.
season? What did I say this season of this
What
year?
did you say?
Or last year? That watch out for LSU. I said that
It's
numerous
at
times
6.
on Girl
It's
Chat.
at 6.
Oh, that's a good time.
6
Good
and the
time to win a
over-under is
championship.
69.5.
That's the over.
That's under.
On the
over,
under
yeah.
over.
69.
I don't know.
I think it could
between
go
two.
over.
It could go over. It could both score over 80 points total. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a
85
bit,
points. I'm looking at.
Yeah.
But
What
it's
is
gonna be
up
a
with
good
your
game.
Lakers though?
Oh, my Lakers are 30-7.
Are
What's
they
the
still
problem?
first in West?
Of course they are.
I'm asking. I haven't
No,
watched
I'm
basketball.
not getting smart or slick or anything.
She
I'm
was
just saying,
being
of course.
slick.
No, I wasn't. I'm just saying. I mean, of course they are.
And
I mean, what's the
AD's
problem?
okay.
He fell on his back, but he's playing again. I mean, what's the
I'm
problem?
just asking.
I'm not getting defensive. Am I getting
You
defensive?
She's a
sound-
little.
you sound really
she's a little-
defensive.
She does.
You sound very defensive.
And
Yeah.
even the posture, right?
Yeah.
Like, what's the
The
problem?
arms back here,
like,
like
what's the
ready to
problem?
swing.
There's no. I'm asking you because this is your team. Yeah, and I'm just wanting to get information on how it is.
And maybe I'm
'Cause I
not trying to
haven't
get
been
sarcastic
watching.
with you, but I'm just saying it in general to the audience. I'm more so when I talk to you, I'm not talking to you directly. I'm talking
But,
to our
well,
audience.
then why are you being snappy with our audience?
I don't even think I'm getting snappy.
Quan.
She,
Really?
your voice got a little Mickey Mouse
And I
I'm
style.
just
got-
like, what's the problem?
Pace,
I'm just
kinda-
like, what's the problem? We're
But
30 and 7.
there's no problem. That's why I'm just asking.
What's up with our Lakers is we 30 and 7. We're number 1 in the West. Yes, we beat the Knicks badly.
So let me rephrase not what's up as in a bad. I'm talking like, tell me about the Lakers, how they've been doing.
They're doing phenomenal. They're the best team in the West.
You might as well do a hair toss right now
I
too, while
will.
you're at it.
Oh man.
They are doing phenomenally. 30 and 7.
Yeah.
And for all those Knicks fans out there, because I got a phone call by one last night who thought they had a chance.
Uh-oh.
There's no chance that you guys thought you were going to beat us with a fall to 80s back.
Is he okay though? Like, is he going to be playing or?
I don't think he concussed or anything. I think
I didn't know if
he
anything was broken or
No,
hurt
I
or
think he's
sprained
fine. I
or.
think he's fine.
Yeah, your
He's
back
fine,
doesn't really cause concussions.
And
but
is Dwight Howard
I know,
actually?
but I'm like, he's not concussed.
Is
I'm good
Dwight
for him.
Howard actually really being in the dunk contest?
Yes, he is. And also speaking
Why?
of Dwight Howard, because he's dominating in the paint. If you'd watch these Laker games, now,
He has
now I'm
no
getting
like,
smart.
but he has no like. I when I think of the dunk contest, I'm thinking like technique and crazy. I just see him jamming and that's it. Like I don't. What,
he
what
may
else
have
is it?
technique.
I don't know.
He may not be able to show it on the court, but maybe he'll show it in the dunk contest. But one thing about Dwight I will mention is that now his contract is guaranteed. They gave him a guaranteed contract.
What was it
Burlington.
before?
It was a contingent contract. He didn't have like a end date. It was kind of like, you're going to just play just month to month to month to month. Now he's got a contract with us.
I want to see Vince Carter back in the dunk.
Why?
Why not?
Because it's his last farewell, we think.
Sure, why not? Why would? if
Might
you
as well
can
just pull a
I mean, if
Legends-
Dwight Howard can go in there and do the
Dwight
dunk
Howard is
contest,
not
Dwight's
as old
athletic
as
still.
Yes, and he is not as old as Vince Carter. Let's be real.
Vince is like a nice young 40.
Vince had
Vince
the best
is-
dunk contest ever
When?
when he won it. Vince had the best.
When was that?
2000, I think.
I don't remember.
I think
So-
it was like 2000.
You don't remember?
No.
He had an amazing dunk contest.
Long time ago.
Okay.
But
why I-
he's
We're in
not
2020.
athletic now, so you're not going to see that, and he'll be compared to that.
Yeah, but the dunk contests nowadays have no. They're not even. You can't even like put them against the ones from back in like the 90s and early 2000s. Like there's no content. Now they use like
Zach
cars
LaVine
and props
was
and
pretty-
like.
Zach LaVine
Yeah,
and
his-
Aaron Gordon, that was the dopest dunk contest ever.
I don't remember.
That was like mid
Oh
2000s.
gosh, it was like that was like 2016.
No.
So that was 4 years ago is what you're telling me.
But
I
other
don't
than that,
remember that.
they've sucked because they put like
I never
jumping
get a
over
chance-
cars and like
Well,
your
yeah,
teammate
like I
tosses
remember
it up.
Blake Griffin did one where the Kia car was there. See, I haven't watched All Star in a very long time. That's why I asked when that was, because for my job, I'm usually working the All Star breaks and the games are on daytime
and
hours. I'm not-
Valentine's Day, people are shopping for their people.
Yeah, and I'm not on my phone like that to see it. Not in a bad way. It's just that I miss out on that and I never DVR it. I just forget. I don't know. That's why I asked the year, because I wasn't
Yeah.
sure. I wasn't trying to be smart or Mickey Mousey or kitschy.
Lakers are doing just fine, Pluto.
I did not say it like that. I did not say it like that. I just said my Lakers are fine. Like, what's up with them is we're good. 30 and 7. I mean, there's nothing really to talk about. Is that we're number 1 in the
It
West?
is what it is.
I think they read I'm going to tell the audiences, they read a black girl and they don't know what to interpret. So they don't know what our moods are or what we're saying. Like, they think that if we
Don't
say it
blame
in a
the
certain
audience because
way,
your partner's the one that made that up.
you co-signed with her too.
I
You
mean,
co-signed.
But it
oh my
sounded
God.
a little
I've known
like.
you
it
long
didn't
enough to
sound like
know
it.
when you
Co-sign.
get a little.
It
What's
wasn't
up,
even chippy,
Brandy?
though.
Brandy just chimed in.
She did. Hey,
Yes.
Brandy.
We miss you. You should come back and hang out again one night.
And Marisha is watching. Shout out to them.
Yeah, go to bed. She should be probably taking a nap right about now.
Really? I don't know.
Yeah.
But anyway, my Lakers are doing phenomenally. I feel like also with the Clippers, Montrezl Harrell said in his post-game interview that the Clippers were not great. We are not a great team. He stated that we know we have 2 new players that are playing and adapting to us, and sometimes they play, sometimes they don't, but please stop calling us a great team.
Okay.
So we say, okay.
Okie dokie.
Mhm.
Couldn't. It's unfortunate I couldn't find a lot of girl stories.
There
for
was a
this
girl
week.
story I was looking for all day when I was getting my hair did, and I couldn't find not one that I
All I
want to shout
can
out.
say is that it will be National Girls and Women in Sports Day, February 5th. So we definitely need to get something together for that first week of February to
Oh, that would be
celebrate
nice.
National Girls and Women's in Sports
Yeah.
Day. So
And any women that want to come down on the studio that day, just anything, any particular interest, if it's sports related, come down and sit with us that week of the
Let's
National
make it
Women's-
happen.
Let's make it happen.
let's make it happen.
I'm putting it out there, shouting it out.
Yes. We love you.
So what's up with Logan Paul and AB?
Nothing.
He said he'd fight him and said he'd
Nothing's
drop him like the
happened.
Patriots.
But here's the I thought Logan Paul was like an actual fighter, and I looked him up because I didn't know who he was. I didn't know who he was. I don't watch YouTube like that. Apparently, he's a YouTuber.
Oh, I thought he was a fighter. I didn't look into it.
No, I looked
No,
into
he
it.
had a fight against another YouTuber.
He had fought
Oh, okay.
another YouTuber, but he's not a fighter. And I was like, who?
AB just wants his name in the media every week.
Yeah, pretty
which,
much.
which, I mean, it's smart for him.
It is.
I mean, it's not
Keeps him
hard.
relevant.
It's not hard.
He doesn't wanna
The
be not
Kardashians do
forgotten.
it every day.
Yeah,
so.
he doesn't want to be not forgotten.
I
Back
know.
in
Anyways.
action 24.
That'll be up. That'll be it.
That'll be up.
That'll be up. We up.
We up.
We up.
So, Quan, real quick before we sign off, your Lakers jacket is always this superimposed one. Do you not own a bright purple metallic, like kind of the satin jacket, the nylon?
No.
Would you like a bomber of the purple and gold like that? Or
I don't see him being a flashy color person.
oh,
True.
He's very muted in
well, he
his
I had
wears
a
a lot of
purple one
neutral.
back in the day.
he wears a lot of neutrals.
Yes.
So I know that, but I just thought
shades of gray.
I just wondered if I got a jacket for him.
50
He'd wear it on
shades
the
of
show.
Quan.
Yeah, he wears a lot of the neutrals. He's got the blue, the gray, the black. I mean, that's all neutrals. It's easy. Get up and go. We know people like that wear black all the time. Okay. All right. So
That's gonna be it.
she laughed. I just
I
said
don't
it.
know.
I don't get it
even
either.
know.
I don't know.
It was funny though.
It
Her
was-
laugh was funny.
Yeah. All right,
It'd
you
be like that
guys.
sometimes.
Thank you so much for checking in with us when you could. Thank you so much, Cox,
Shout
for
out
being
to Cox
useless for being
for your
useless to us.
lousy
Yeah.
service.
I don't want to say it too loud because I don't want you cutting off my service. Your movie's coming on, debuting on these networks. But shout out to everybody
Shout
that
out to
checked
Beast
in.
Mode Store.
Shout out to the Beast Mode ladies. Shout out to
Yes.
Beast Mode himself, doing very
Heck
well.
yes. Toss them Skittles.
Yeah.
boy.
Can't wait for these games. We'll tune in to you guys, or tune in to us next Wednesday.
Yes.
Got a lot to say. All right. Bye-bye.